Yeah, there's a slightly separate issue, but the governor of New York, Kathy Hochul, said that she requested the expulsion of China's consul general in New York and had spoken to the Secretary of State about that. Can you confirm that that's happened?
So I saw the governor's statement. She actually spoke to the Deputy Secretary of State earlier today. So first of all, the Consul General was not expelled. Our understanding is that the Consul General reached the end of a regular scheduled rotation in August, and so rotated out of the position, but was not expelled. But of course, when it comes to the status of particular employees of a foreign mission, I would refer you to the foreign country, but there was, to speak to it, but there was no expulsion action. Okay,
and I'm presuming this is related to someone in her office who was working for the Chinese government. There's been law enforcement action on that, but is that, you say the consul wasn't expelled, but is there a sort of grounds for expulsion, or is that something that the department has considered?
So I'm not going to speak to anything that we might have considered, or especially when it comes to an action that wasn't taken. In this case, this particular individual was not expelled, just reached the end of a regular scheduled rotation. That said, foreign interference, including attempts to influence through covert activities that should be registered under the Foreign Agents Registration Act and are not registered are things that we take very seriously, as you saw by the action the Department of Justice took yesterday.
Do you know when that happened, when he left?
It was the end of August, is my understanding.
Okay, and is there a new Consul General who you guys?
I would defer to the foreign mission to speak to their employees. I assume that there's a new Consul General rotating in. That's a general course of action, but whether one has arrived already, I just don't know.
Okay.
So which deputy secretary did she speak to?
To Kirk Campbell.
Because you know there's more than one.
I'm aware of that.
Okay.
Jenny.